Hey guys, in this video we are going to see the reseller panel of WASender software. So as you can see, this is the dashboard where you will find the licenses, all the registered licenses, and from where you can generate new license. And this is a reseller panel, as I told you. So you will have to enter your customer name, for example, WASender. You can add any customer name, and let's just write an email as wa.com. Okay, and you can add this phone number, that is optional, and you can add the activation limit, like how many times you want someone to activate using this license key. I will enter one so that it will only be valid for one PC. And this is the expiration date. If you want, you can add a 1 day trial if you want to give it to someone, or if you want to keep it for lifetime, you can just keep it empty so that it will be for lifetime. Or if you want to give annual plan, so that you have option to change the year as well. So after all of this, you can add, if you want, you can add notes. If you want to remove some user detail or something, you can add it here, or you can also leave it. Or let's now the time is to create the license key. Now it has created a license key. You will also find it on the this license page. This is the license code, and this is the customer name, the product, and the status, and the activity. It is showing 0 uh, out of 1 because currently the license is not activated on any of the PC. So what we will do is now we'll select this license key, and we will go to the software. This is the software. We will have to enter the license key over here to activate it. Alright, so the license is activated. You can see the latest version is as 4.0.9, and this is your software activated. Now let's go to the dashboard and see if it is showing the active status or not. Let's refresh this. And as you can see, the activations list, the activation status is showing 1 out of 1. That means the license is activated. Now if I want to activate the same license key on a different PC, this license will not work. So uh, to to get this working, you will either have to reset this, that will make it again count to 0. Let me show you. As you can see, it is showing 0 over here, and if you want, you can deactivate the license, or if you want, you can delete as well. All right, so if you want, you can generate another license. And if you want to if you don't want to add email or phone number, that is also possible. Like, you can just add any name, for example A. You can leave this email section, you can leave this phone number section. If you want, you can increase the activation limit. That means if you want it for 100 PC, so the same license key will work for 100 PC. If you want, you can do that for 10 PC or maybe 1000 PCs. And for the expiration date, if you want, you can leave this empty. That will be valid before, that will be valid for lifetime. But if you want, you can select for an annual. So that means this will be valid for 26 July. Oh, sorry, 21 July 2026. So now if I'll create the side license, this will be license for your another one where we have not added the email address or the phone number. So you can get this software from this website. I will provide the link in the description so you can easily navigate to this site. You will find 4 plans on this website. The first one is single PC. This will be for your single PC, and it will be valid for lifetime. And these are the features. And this will be for multiple PCs. That means the same license will work for 10 of your PCs. Or if you want, you can choose for reseller plan that is exactly like this, where you can generate license keys. And the third And the fourth plan is this distributor plan. This is where you can generate multiple resellers like this one. For example, on this reseller plan you will get one reseller plan, or on the reseller on the distributor plan, where there you can generate multiple resellers. Okay, you can generate similar multiple resellers, and you the resellers will get a Keygen dashboard where they can generate keys like this. And you will also get this manage resellers panel where you can manage all the resellers. So this is how you can get that all the plans that you need. So you can choose any plan that you need, and yeah, it is how it is. And if you want any support, you can just send us WhatsApp. uh, this is our WhatsApp, so you will also find the links over here. So if you face any issue or you have any doubt, please WhatsApp us and we'll help you.